Welcome. In this video, we'll learn about histogram equalization for intensifying image. Histogram equalization is a process of modifying the intensities of the image pixel to enhance the contrast. The human eye likes the contrast. This is the reason that almost all the camera systems use histogram equalization to make images look nice. The interesting thing is that the histogram equalization process is different for grayscale and color images. There is a catch when dealing with color images, and we will see it while writing a code. So first, let's run our already pre-written Python file and let's see what result we get. Open the terminal, run the command as Python and pass argument as image name, that is sunrise.jpg file, and hit enter. You can see that the image has been displayed here. This is the input image, which looks like this. The histogram image will look like intensified one. It is a brighter, or else you can call histogram image, which is intensified. In short, the picture looks better, that it has a good contrast with histogram equalization. So let's see behind the code of histogram. So first, import sys. I will not explain it again, as you have already seen what that does in previous program. And as usual, of import cv2, import numpy as np. The import numpy module, it is an open source extension module for Python which provides fast pre-compiled functions for mathematical and numerical routines. And next, the command should contain one argument as image name and load input image. Here we are using sunrise.jpg. So input file sys.argv and image equals to cv2.imread input file. That is, a command should contain one argument as image and load input image here. Now we are going to convert the image to grayscale and display it. That is, img gray equals to cv2 cvt color img cv2.color bgr to gray cv2.imshow input grayscale image img gray. Basically converted the image to grayscale and displayed it. The next, we are going to equalize the histogram of grayscale image and display it. Image gray histogram equalization equals to cv2 equalize hist img underscore gray cv2.imshow histogram equalized grayscale img gray histogram equalized. Now, in order to equalize the histogram of the color image, we need to follow a different procedure. The histogram equalization only applies to the intensity channel. An RGB image consists of 3 color channels, and we cannot apply histogram equalization process on these channels separately. We need to separate the intensity information from the color information before we do anything. So we convert it to YUV color space. To know more about what is this YUV color space, just Google for it. Explaining what is YUV color space is out of scope for this course. So after converting it to YUV color space, we equalize the white channel and then convert it back to RGB to get the output. So this is the code. img YUV equals to cv2 cvt color img cv2.color bgr to YUV img YUV equals to cv2.equalize histogram img YUV. Now equalize the white channel as follows. img histogram equalize equals to cv2.cvt color img YUV cv2.color YUV to bgr. That is back from YUV to bgr. So basically, we converted first a bgr pic to YUV, then we equalized in YUV format because we cannot equalize in BGR format. And then again, we converted it from YV to BGR while equalizing the white channel. And now we will display the input and output images. That is cv2.imshow input color image, img, c2imshow histogram equalized color, img histogram equalize. Now let's print the image. Now to make the image wait, we'll just type cv2.wait key. Now let's move to the output now. Open the terminal, run the command. We have already seen the output, but yet I'll show it again. We'll run the command python, pass the argument as image name, that is sunrise.jpg file. You can see that the image has been displayed here. My input image looks like this. Histogram image look like intensified one. I have another image called grade 1 and it is also intensified histogram equalized image, looks like the following. So that's it in this video on histogram equalization for intensifying the image. Thank you for watching this video.